Hello everybody, I am David Pokemon Cats, and I got a little bit of Pokemon news I want to talk about today. I was on the Pokebeach website recently, and I noticed they had some new pictures on the new Pokemon 25th Anniversary Gold Collection box that's coming out in Japan. Just wanted to update everybody on these pictures if they hadn't seen them yet. First one up is the outside of the 25th Anniversary Golden Box, as seen here. The next one we have is the Golden Trainer, the Golden Pikachu V. We got some golden damage counters. It looks like a golden Pikachu coin. We also have a Golden 25th Anniversary Playmat, Golden Deck Box, Dual Deck Box to hold two different decks. Better shot of it inside. And then there's also a little holder for the dice and the damage markers. There's another shot of the inside. Very nice. And then there's an overview shot of all of the goodies that will be coming out when this box is released. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on it, let me know. I'm David Pokemon Cats. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.